Hello students, welcome to today's class. I hope you are doing well. We have been praying for you. Alright, welcome to the third short vowel sound. तीसरा short vowel sound I का ए होगा, ए. जैसे big, sit. This vowel is produced by creating a tall open space within the mouth while using a slightly less open mouth posture than A vowels. The tongue will rest at the bottom of your mouth. तो A साउंड प्रोड्यूस करने के लिए जितना मुंह आपने खोला था उसे कम खोलना होगा, लेकिन आपका जीभ बिल्कुल फ्लैट होकर नीचे बैठेगा. ए ए ए. तो यहां कुछ वर्ड्स हैं. बिग, 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 did, did, chin, 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 is, lip, 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 sit, 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 fit, 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 lid, 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 rich, rich, rich. The problem is this sound is a little bit different than our Hindi sound. हिंदी में छोटी ई की मात्रा है, बड़ी ई की मात्रा है. ई से इमली और ई से ईक. And so e. This is not e, and that's why many people big पढ़ते हैं. Big. It's not big. It's big. Big. पता है किसने ऐसे कहा? It is my head. ऐसे बोलना था उसको. बंदे ने क्या बोल दिया? It is my head. It is my head बोलना था. इसने कहा It is my head. मेरे दिमाग को आराम से खाओ. That's the meaning. So it और eat में different है. It, eat. Is. So practice this, pause the video and practice once more. Big, did, chin, is, lip, sit, fit, lid, rich. जैसे हमने E sound को भी देखा, not only E letter short E sound को लेता है, उसी प्रकार short I sounds भी कुछ vowels को लेके बनते हैं. These are not very widely used words as a pronunciation, लेकिन exception के साथ ये कुछ words हैं और कुछ भी होंगे. जैसे for example यहाँ पर E sound है, लेकिन ये England कोई नहीं पढ़ता, इसको England, English कोई नहीं पढ़ता, इसको England, English. If you're not careful, हिंदी E के साथ English हो जाएगा, English या England. It's not England, it's England, England, English, English, English. Women, women. O है, फिर भी हमने A का साउंड पढ़ा. वह A, men, women, women. Busy, busy. कुछ लोग busy पढ़ते हैं, इसको ये busy नहीं है, it's busy, busy, busy. Build, 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 build. Hymn, hymn, hymn. भजन जो होता है, भजन के पुस्तक को hymn बोलते हैं, hymn. And so pause the video and keep practicing this until you hear the difference, and then you start trying to articulate this. And so I would give you a tongue twister here, and you could practice that until it comes naturally to you. Alright, now here is the tongue twister for you. The little kitten sits on the windowsill. 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 If you're not careful, the little kitten sits on the windowsill. No, that's not the way. Not little. 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 Not kitten. Not kitten. 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 Not sits. 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 On the window. Not a window. No window. Window. Not seal. Sill. Sill. So now we are with short O sound. इसके साथ this is our fourth number, right? A, E, I, O. A, E, I, O. So this is the fourth one. इसका जो sound होगा A. A. This vowel is the same as A sounding, like in all. Open your mouth wide and allow the sound to flow from your throat through your mouth. The tongue will be resting at the bottom of your mouth. Be careful not to round your lips in the least. Come, say after me. God, God, hot, hot, bomb, bomb, honest, honest, cotton, cotton, clock, clock, lock, lock, sob, sob, on, on, on. So pause the video and keep practicing a sound. Alright, so now the short sound of U is going to be up, up, up. Let's see. Bus, bus, bus. Cup, cup, cup. Cut, cut, cut. Fun, fun, fun. Shut, shut, shut. Sun, sun, sun. Mud, 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 mud. Gum, 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 gum. Jump, 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 jump. We have the sixth sound of a short sound of the vowel, and this time we are going to use the short sound, another short sound of U, because U takes two sounds. One is up, and the second one is oh, oh, oh. Alright, so this is the last one, and we will be talking about short U or O sound, U or O sound. And so this is going to be like O, O, O. So this is cook, foot, look, good, good, not good morning, no, good, took, not took, took, hook, not hook, hood, full. Do you see O or U or OU? O, U or OU? Full, not fool, full. Bush, put, put. Could, could. Should. It's not could, not could or should. It's could, should, should, should. So practice with me. Cook, cook, cook. Foot, foot, foot. Look, look, look. Good, good, good. Took, took, took. Hook, hook, hook. Hood, hood, hood. Full, full, full. Bush, bush, bush. Put, put, put. Could, could, could. Should, should, should. Thank you. You could stand in front of a mirror and try to see your face and speak. Try to first of all pause the video and hear it again and again until you get the difference in your head, and then try to pronounce the way you have heard me saying it. And so keep practicing. These are 6 vowel short sound. So take one sound from one the word from each of the sounds and see the difference. I did in the beginning, or last, lest, list, lost, then lust, and look. So keep practicing. You can take many words like that. Let's say pat, pet, pit, put. So that's the best way to do. तो एक काम करिए, आप वीडियो को पॉज करिए और ये लिखिए ऐसे कई सारे वर्ड्स को जो ऑलरेडी आप जानते हैं, कन्वर्सेशनल वर्ड्स हैं, और इनका प्रोनाउंसिएशन करने की कोशिश करें. राइट नाउ हम इन्हें सेंटेंस में नहीं डाल रहे हैं फिलहाल के लिए, जस्ट आपको सुनाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि कौन कौन से साउंड डिफरेंसेस हैं जिनको वी नीड टू पे अटेंशन टू एंड ट्राई टू प्रोनाउंस द वे इट नीड्स टू बी. बाय द वे हम जो फॉलो कर रहे हैं अब IPA इंटरनेशनल फोनेटिक अल्फाबेट के क्लासिफिकेशन हम फॉलो कर रहे हैं. सो द प्रोनाउंसिएशन की बात जो हम कर रहे हैं एक बेस इंटरनेशनल प्रोनाउंसिएशन होगा जो कहीं भी आप सक्सेसफुली बातचीत कर सकते हैं. एंड सो टेक केयर, कंटिन्यू टू प्रैक्टिस. रिमेंबर कितने वावल्स हैं? नॉट 5, 20 वावल्स. और हमने only 6 देखा है. We have 14 more. They are very easy. We will talk in our next classes. God bless you until then. Thank you.